least 3 times. I like the fan.
Feel it, please.
Oh, cool, yeah.
Hey, very comfortable on this side.
So that's actually 3 8Ks, not 2?
Well, there's supposed to be 3 in here. That one's fried, another one fried, and that's the only one in the middle that's running.
Oh man. They're frying from, are you having issues with
No, we took 2, we tried to pick 2 up, and that was the only one that survived.
Okay.
You're going about $1,400 ILX.
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay, this is the side with the 4 channels.
All right.
Nice and sealed off.
Oh, it's all sealed.
It's really good. Still got your fur. Nice. Whoa, it looks a little bit deeper box.
Box didn't change. The only thing we did was put new subs in. And those are like really ridiculous. Those are the Team 5 15s.
Okay.
And that's about all we've done to this thing.
Team 5 4-inch coils
4-inch voice coils.
Oh, yeah.
4-layer spiders.
on 1 amp right now.
On 1 amp.
Okay. And that's at half ohm?
Has 1 ohm.
1 ohm, okay.
They're 0.7 ohm coils.
Okay. You got good motor force on these subs from the use.
Oh yeah. Well, I had the X's in here last.
Okay.
And I blew 4 of them in 3 months. Had enough.
Yeah. Wow. 4-inch coils handle the power. They may not be as efficient for SPO, but for musical demo, they were good these subs to have.
We had them already down today to 15 hertz.
Wow. And they're still breaking in, listening up.
Oh, well, yeah, once I was 13 hertz.
Take a couple pictures.
These files are these.
Oh yeah, I ran 5 a few times. Looks really good. All right. Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. One more for me? All right.
My mind tighter than the head. And my lungs got ganja in my sweat glands. This shit I'm on better than the next strand. A night, oh what a night. The roof is on fire. So what? I'm high. I say, oh what a night. Oh what a night. Yeah, she a bad bitch. All jokes aside. She head down, booty popping in the handstand. Got it shine bright, I get it lost like tan. I make that pussy whistle like the Old Spice. And if she ever throw it, I catch it like a if you think I give a fuck, that's what? What's up? Started dancing.
All right, one more.
Down, booty popping in the handstand. Got it shine bright, I get it lost like tan. I make that pussy whistle like the Old Spice. And if she ever throw it, I catch it like a pony. Like a pony man, that's an interception. You think I give a fuck? That's an interception. What a night. Popping in the handstand. Got it shine bright, I get it lost like tan. I make that pussy whistle like the Old Spice. And if she ever throw it, I catch it like a pony. That's an interception. You think I give a fuck? That's an interception. What a night.
Maybe sneeze 3 times. That note, the 28 and that 40, it's pretty good. That 40 hurt note made me sneeze a little bit, man.
Yeah, it gripped.
Awesome.
With the 1/8K.
Yeah.
Imagine what it's going to be with 3 8K.
Dude, you're gonna be doing 60s on music just flat. Yeah. Nice. Your voltage don't really drop right now either. You're doing good. Yeah, they handle it without falling off, especially when they can unload at a certain point. Yeah. Thanks for the Robert. Thanks for the demo, man.
Hey man, you're more than welcome anytime.
All right, man. Hey, thanks for the demo.